Alright, so boom. Somebody sent me this video and I knew the little brother looked familiar. I could have swore I did a video on him in the past, and the human Geodude is back. If you didn't know who Zion Clark was before, you fixing to find out right now.
Falcon kick!
Oh, I missed!
First and foremost, due to a rare condition, Mans was born without legs. Most would agree, if given the same circumstance, they'd probably find themselves living their life feeling sorry for themselves. But not this brother. Mans spent his entire childhood in high school wrestling, went 33-15 his senior year, went to Kent State University, participated as a wrestler and in wheelchair racing, had a two-time Emmy award-winning documentary come out in 2018, and is now making his professional MMA debut. So when you talk about a feel-good story, there are few that are better than the story of Zion Clark, but I got a couple of questions. Is he considered a downed opponent by default? If his opponent tries to strike him with a leg kick due to the fact that he doesn't have any lower extremities, is it considered an arm kick? Is that legal? Are there any special rules that are now added due to the fact that he is a handicapped opponent? Watch out, Zion's going for the takedown. His opponent's gonna wrap his legs around nothing. For Eugene Murray, this has to be an incredibly unique experience, because how do you train for half of an opponent? Who can you spar with to create the fight night simulation needed to be prepared for this duel? To make matters even more confusing, Zion is 110 pounds, but he's all upper body, so his opposition is in the same weight class, but is substantially weaker. But personally, I don't see a problem with this, because if you battling against somebody who ain't got no legs, what the hell are you complaining about?
Come here!
Well, damn, punched him right in the face, but unfortunately, we'd go to the end of the first round.
Round 2. Fight.
I would like to think that the second round would be filled with fireworks, but there's really only so much you can do.
Gotcha, bitch!
Geodude's got the legs again! Murray going on the defensive, and when in doubt, put your pelvis in your opponent's face, and to make matters worse, sit on their nostrils. Geodude gonna wake up at the conclusion of the fight with a brown nose. I heard his opponent had some 2-week-old Taco Bell before the fight. I know his butt stink.
What the fuck is that smell?
Yeah! Fuck out of here!
Damn, it seems like every round comes to an end with Zion getting punched in the face. Oh, he wrapped his leg around him?
I guess not.
Once more, given the lack of real estate, there's only so much you can wrap your legs around. In the closing moments of the round, both men jockeying for position.
Get your hand out of my pocket!
He's smelling his armpit. He's smelling his armpit.
What's wrong with you?
This brings us to the end of round 2. Now that I think about it, this makes me question the origin of the battle, because Zion got people in his corner, respectively. But why ain't nobody in Eugene's corner? Where are his people? Rumor has it they didn't like anything at the concession stand. They went home to cook HelloFresh.
And now a word from our sponsors.
HelloFresh is here to help you eat better by delivering fresh ingredients and easy recipes right to your door, taking the hassle out of dinner time.
Today, I'm making some sweet chili pork and cabbage stir fry.
With HelloFresh, you can skip the extra trip to the grocery store and the long checkout line. Spend more time doing the things you love with delicious chef-crafted recipes delivered straight to your doorstep. They've got 40 weekly recipes to choose from, and no matter your lifestyle or meal preferences, HelloFresh has recipes sure to please everybody at your table. From calorie smart to carb smart to veggie or family friendly, they've got options for days. And you can customize meals by swapping proteins or sides and even adding protein to a veggie dish.
You can take your pick from meals like soy glazed salmon with rice or mushroom and chives risotto. HelloFresh knows you're busy. That's why they take care of the meal prepping and planning, freeing up extra time in your schedule. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description and go to HelloFresh.com and use code Chiseled60 for 60% off plus free shipping. Again, that's HelloFresh.com. Use code Chiseled60 for 60% off plus free shipping. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
What you doing out here with all this ass?
Final round. Fight.
Now that we're in the final round, one's got to wonder, how are they scoring this?
Now for the finishing move.
Yeah! Helicopter, helicopter!
man's just bust out a spinning backhand out of nowhere.
You missed me.
That's some impressive stuff right there. Just imagine if it landed. It didn't, but imagine if it did. In this battle between Geodude and Tyrogue, it appears the fighting Pokemon's trying to find an opening and once again finds himself being taken down. Pewter City Gym Leader Brock would be proud of his stone-armed friend. Given his positioning, he might have just opened himself up to a guillotine. Oh, well, there it is. My apologies. It's actually a wrap around the body, and it actually led to Zion releasing Eugene's legs. But once again, in a testament to Zion's endurance, this would not result in a submission finish for him. Several
Body blow.
to his opponent would result in him loosening the grip, and he'd be freed. Reach for the Achilles again.
Gotcha, bitch.
But once again, it would be to no avail. He'd find himself in a headlock, but luckily he was saved by the bell.
Now die!
Well, shit. What are y'all doing?
Granted, it wasn't a fight that was filled with fireworks, but you gotta appreciate the balls it takes to even step into the octagon and fight with no legs. But by some shocking turn of event, by unanimous decision, Zion won. Personally, I think it should have been a no contest. Hold up, did this man just do a flip?
Do a flip.
Well, I'll be damned. I haven't seen something like that before. Nevertheless, let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this decision. Do you think it should have just been a no contest exhibition, or do you think Zion rightfully won? Can't deny the moxie on that man, because he's half a human doing what whole humans can't even do. Now, with all that aside, how does this brother pee? Or poop, for that matter? You know what? I don't want to know, because I think somebody's going to give me a medical answer that I wasn't really prepared to hear. All I know is if I see that brother in the street, I'm throwing a Pokeball.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm. Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please. Please.
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.